thinking about my old college days and I keep on laughing. Those were the days when I used to think कि हर रोज कॉलेज में नया आउटफिट तो चाहिए, हर रोज नया कॉलेज में स्टाइल तो एक करके जाना है, बट मम्मा पापा के उतने पैसे भी खर्चा नहीं करने कि हर रोज एक नया आउटफिट बाय किया जाए. So we used to do the mix and match things maximum in our college days. Those were the days when we used to do the maximum fashion jugaad. Hi, my name is Shikha and very warm welcome to my channel. On this channel we talk about styling and fashion. This video is specifically dedicated to all those viewers who want to create many styles from a single dress. Before we start with the video, if this face is new for you, kindly do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the like button if you like the video. Denims are the most versatile pieces in anybody's wardrobe. But here today I have chosen my blue denim dungarees for creating different style instead of those plain jeans. For this first simple yet young and energetic look, I have paired my silver top with white shoes. You can never go wrong by wearing white with blue denims. For creating that semi-formal Saturday wala look, I have paired these denims with my black high neck and black pointed toe shoe are completing my look. If you want to add little more bling to your look, then add a cap which is complementing this dress. If you are not interested in white and black, then add a colorful sweater with simple shirt under it. This will keep you look more brighter and merrier. For creating that monochrome look, I have paired this piece with blue denim sleeveless jacket. You can go for a full sleeve or a short jacket, whatever is already available in your wardrobe. If you are more fun loving and want to add more color to this single colored outfit, then add colorful printed jacket above it. Otherwise, you can also layer a button down shirt on it. If you have any long kurti or a long top, pair it above the dungarees. You can add a long coat or a short sweater on the top of both of it. It will look super stylish and chic. And creating a look for those lazy days when you don't understand what to wear and don't want to iron anything either, then you can pair a long coat simply above these dungarees. This will complete the look and nobody is going to get to know that you haven't made any efforts to look this stylish and elegant. That's it for today guys. I hope you all like my today's video and you are surely going to try all the styles I have suggested in this video. But if you are not the one who is interested in western dresses and you are interested in more Indian wear or ethnic wear, then my next video is going to be on the ethnic wear only. How you can style, how you can create more styles from your one single kurta. So keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe the channel so you that get the notification in your account. Thank you so much for watching and keep watching.